espresso double shot training. Grind 18 grams of coffee and add it to your portafilter. Place the fanner on the portafilter and level the coffee with the needle. Remove the needle and make the coffee smooth and uniform with OCD. Then press the ground coffee with a tamper. After tamping, I go to extraction. Clean the shower group before extracting the extract. Connect the portafilter to the machine and place the shot of espresso under the tip of the portafilter and start extracting. Our coffee extraction has started. Just wait for 30 seconds for a shot of espresso to be extracted. Stop extraction and serve your coffee. I also serve a shot of water for espresso. Our espresso coffee is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.